Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll go over how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. If you ever need to disable this feature for any reason, I'll show you the steps to do so. Let's dive in. To start, open your Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the profile picture or your avatar in the top left corner to access the settings menu. Next, scroll down and select Privacy. Under the privacy settings, tap on Secret Conversations. This is where Messenger manages end-to-end encrypted chats. If you have any active secret conversations, you'll see them listed here. To turn off end-to-end encryption, toggle the Secret Conversations option to off. This will disable the encrypted chats, and future messages will no longer be end-to-end encrypted. Keep in mind that turning off secret conversations will not affect your existing conversations. You can still access them, but new messages will no longer be encrypted in this way. And that's it. You've successfully turned off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.